The Snana Yatra, also spelled Snana Jatra, is a significant Hindu bathing festival celebrated on the Purnima, that is the full moon day of the Hindu month Jyeshtha. It marks the auspicious birthday of Lord Jagannath and is the first major ritual event of the year as per the Hindu calendar. On this day, the deities Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra, Sudarshana and Madanmohana are brought out from the sanctum sanctorum of the Lord Jagannath Temple in Puri in a grand ceremonial procession to the Snana Bedi, the special bathing platform. The bathing ritual involves 108 pots of ritually purified water drawn from the temple's northern well, poured over the idols while religious chants are recited. In the evening, Jagannath and Balabhadra are adorned in elephant headgear representing Lord Jagannath, a divine form known as Gajavesha. Following the Snana Yatra, the deities are believed to fall ill due to the elaborate ritual. They are kept in seclusion for a fortnight in a special chamber and are tended to by the Rajvedya, the royal physician, using Ayurvedic treatment called Panachan. This period is known as Anasara, during which the deities are not available for public viewing. Instead, Pattachitra paintings representing the deities are displayed. During Anasara, devotees often visit the Alarnath temple in Brahmagiri, believing Lord Jagannath manifests there as Alarnath. According to the Skanda Puran, this tradition began when King Indradyumna first installed the deities and conducted this ritual. Devotees believe that witnessing the Snana Yatra absolves them of sins, and hundreds of thousands of pilgrims visit the temple for the spiritually purifying experience.